Good morning, America, and good evening, India. Here, a miracle research study of COVID 19. Please be with us. New research suggests that people with O blood type are less likely to contract the novel coronavirus. For such blood type, the risk of developing severe symptoms, including organ failure, is also reduced. However, people who have blood types A and AB are the most vulnerable to the infection. The findings of two separate studies aim to reason why the virus is lethal for some, while others are not even aware they have had it. The study was published in the journal Blood Advances. Changes in red blood cells can help identify COVID 19 severity. The first team gathered information from the Danish Health Registry data of more than 4,73,000 COVID 19 positive individuals out of general population of 2.2 million. The findings revealed that there were fewer positive results among those with blood type O. The most common, while peers with blood type A and AB were the most vulnerable. Rates of infection were similar in these three groups. The trends remained unaffected after the researchers factored the ethnicity, which affects blood group distribution. Lead author Dr. Torben Barrington of Orkney University Hospital said in a statement, "It is very important to consider the proper control group because blood type prevalence may vary considerable in different ethnic groups and different countries." He added, "We have the advantage of a strong control group. Denmark is a small, ethnically homogeneous country with a public health system and a central registry for lab data. So, our control is population based, giving our findings a strong foundation." In the second study, the researchers examined 95 critically ill COVID 19 patients in a hospital in Vancouver. They found that the A and AB blood types were at higher risk of severe symptoms than those with O or B. The researchers observed that patients with these blood types are more likely to be put on mechanical ventilation. This suggested that they had greater rates of lung injury from the virus and dialysis for kidney failure. These patients also had an increased risk of organ dysfunction or failure due to COVID 19. The researchers also noted that people with blood types A and AB did not have longer overall hospital stays. However, they remained in the intensive care unit for longer on average. This may also signal a greater COVID 19 severity level, said the Canadian team. Late author Dr. Maipinder Second of the University of British Columbia said, "The unique part of our study is our focus on the severity effect of blood type on COVID 19. The researchers noted in their study, we observed this lung and kidney damage, and in future studies, we will want to tease out the effect of blood group and COVID 19 on other vital organs. Of particular importance, as we continue to traverse the pandemic, we now have a wide range of survivors who are exciting the acute part of COVID 19, but we need to explore mechanisms by which to stratify those with longer term effect." BN Das report, Thosak TV.